I put it here? No. What was it? No. What's it?
Okay. Hey everybody, I'm Kathleen. I'm a certified nutritionist. These are my grandsons, Warren and William. We are going to make some ranch dressing today, and we're going to use, instead of the regular mayonnaise, we're going to use some sour cream that we made. It's more like a creme fraiche because we use cultured buttermilk along with some heavy whipping cream and fermented it for a day. Okay, so what do we need first? We need the sour cream. We're going to put it in a bowl, and we're going to use about a cup. This is really nice and thick. Okay, no, not that one yet. We need that for the spices, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Okay, go ahead. So one more scoop. Okay, we're gonna have to wipe that off. Got it? Really get a nice big one. And I think that looks like a cup. Okay?
That's nice.
Yeah. So let's put that away. All right. Okay, we're gonna add the spices now. Okay. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of chives. Is that gonna fit in there? Uh-oh. We're not gonna be able to use the 1 teaspoon, so we're gonna use 2 of the half teaspoons. Okay, while he's stirring it, do you wanna go ahead and add it? Let's move your stool over. All right, let's go ahead and make it full. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. So that makes up 1 teaspoon of chives.
Can I show you?
Oh, next one. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of dill. Oh, you're stirring real good. Okay. Here you go, wanna dump it? Half. And a half makes 1 teaspoon. Okay, we're gonna do parsley. 1 teaspoon. Here you go. A half. And a half make a whole.
No, what?
Okay, hold on. Let Warren have a little bit of a turn.
No, I won't have to.
Okay, we're gonna do garlic powder. I think the 1 teaspoon will work with that, so that's good. Hold on, let's get a full one. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
This one.
1 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, you gotta just put your hands on the very end of it. All right, there you go. Yeah. Put the lid back on. Okay, now we need a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Let's take just a half a teaspoon. And we use Himalayan salt. It has 1/3, it only has 1/3 of the sodium of table salt, so it's a much better alternative. And it has trace minerals also. Hold on. Let's get the lid on this one first. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pour it in there. Well, let's just take the lid off and scoop it. Do a half a teaspoon. And dump it. Whoop.
That's it.
Okay.
You mean table salt?
All right. And
What?
they like to put green powder in their ranch dressing, so we're going to go ahead and add it. One scoop. Whoop. And that is the Asante Organics Earth Greens.
I like it. I like it, Mom.
You like it?
Yeah.
And
Let me shut up.
you
Please.
could also add
No,
about a
let me.
1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese if you wanted to. We don't have that out, but they like to add that. Okay, what about that little spot right up there? You want to try and get that? All right. Wow, that looks really good. Let's get that spot. Okay, let Warren have a turn now,
No,
please.
let me have some.
Okay, I know. Warren can get the spoon. And you can start it with the spoon. Okay, we need to try it. You gonna try it? Mmm. That's good.
Yeah, I taste it. I taste it.
Very flavorful. Okay.
No.
Let's try it. Dip it. Here's yours. Go ahead and dip.
No, dip it.
Well, here, I'll put some on the plate and then you can dip it. That way we're not using that. Warren's like, yeah, this is good, huh? Go ahead, dip it. Here's yours. Oh, you want more? Okay.
What was dressing?
Yep, that is ranch dressing. We just made ranch dressing. Yum, yum, yum. Is that good? All right. You can say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you.